Hello and welcome back. So today we got the LDRC 06 and I want to quickly go through a couple of things that I found and what you should look out for. The remote is a bit childish, but it does work, so can't really complain. Backwards and forwards as you would normally, steering left and right, light switch on and off, the actual switches under there. Steering adjustments. There is a third channel on that also for something else that you might want to add to it. Takes two AAA batteries and it comes with the instructions on the back. To run the car you need the battery which comes with it, 1200 milliamp 7.4 lithium ion battery, and the track itself comes as RTR. You just have to clip on the few little details, but nothing much really, straightforward. I like the idea of having the battery on the front, so it keeps the weight up front, and already printed that out in case you're wondering. It doesn't come with that, but I've printed it. I like the idea of portal axles, metal frame, quite well detailed. Another bonus is you actually get a full interior. There is space for a full figure in there, leg room, not a problem. Same on this side, opens and closes, clicks in there nicely, quite well detailed. The bed does open up as well, so you can just undo the screws on the corners. And then you can open the bed if needs to. Suspension, front, you only get like a tilt on it, don't actually get a full suspension on there. The rear is a bit better, but it is what it is, not too bad for a $50 or $60 even RTR. Quite well detailed rear end. Things to look out for is loose screws here and there. There was loose screws on the portals, there was loose screws on some of the attachments, some on the axles, and also there is no grab screw on the crown gear, so I put the grab screw front and rear. There was too much play from pinion to crown as well, so I've added a little space there on there, and they are actually dry, so you have to grease them up also. Apart from that, it's okay. You get brass bushings on the diffs on the front also. So yes, it is okay for what it is. There is better stuff up there, but let's face it, for like $60 or $70 or even whatever it might be, depending where you buy it from, it's not too bad really. It's okay. Actually performs quite well. Which, talking of which, let's see how it goes. We go outside and have it out on the course, even though the course is not made for something this big, but let's see how it goes. See you up there. Also, I forgot to mention that the tyres are actually quite hard, not great for grip. The good thing about it is they actually run on a 5mm hex, same as WPL, MN, JJRC and so on, so you can actually replace the wheels and tyres with something better.